And you have to think that Kevin Owens got exactly what he wanted there. He baited the Viper, Drew McIntyre capitalized, and now Randy Orton is prone and vulnerable, and Kevin Owens is here to do some major damage.
And Kevin Owens drags Randy Orton out of the ring and slams him down onto our announce desk. After a Claymore, now Kevin Owens is on the attack.
After all the damage, Kevin Owens has already gone.
No, he's not. No, he's not thinking pile driver on the announce desk.
Send this thing off.
Oh, Randy, able to get free.
Well, that would have been career over for Randy Orton had KO managed to pull that off.
Kevin Owens, his simple appearance caused a distraction, cost Randy Orton the match, and now these two, these fierce rivals.
Oh, God.
He's looking to punt him. He's lining up to punt Wade. Oh, and just getting over the barrier, and then contained by officials and security.
And scurrying away for his life is Kevin Owens once again. About as frustrated as can be is Randy Orton.
What a scene here in London. The Viper standing tall in the end.
And the only thing that is going to soothe Randy Orton is connecting his boot to the skull of Kevin Owens, and it may well happen at WrestleMania.
Cannot wait for that in Vegas.